Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL Device to CUBOT X20. First of all, open Play Store on both of them. Then you need to click on the search bar over here, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. After that, click on Open. Now you need to click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we have to do exactly the same on CUBOT. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to go with send on TCL and receive on CUBOT. Then click on all of those kind of dots and choose send in order to send all of your data. But it will take a while, so I will only, for example, go with one photo, click send and tap got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this password here and choose receive, or scan this QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on the scanning icon. On CUBOT, choose allow and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out just to be sure, you can always go into Files app, select in my case Images, and tap on Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!